they the what culture here is like a work. And if you don't work 24 hours a day, you're a lazy American. You're lazy, and it's like, okay, you don't have even time to raise your children. Like it's really bad.
Mhm.
Because
Don't
right
tell
now, anybody what I look like when I have no makeup.
So we have to
Don't
optimize. We have
screenshot this.
okay. And I think after a long time, I got you, and you are very sociable and very sociable person. But most of the time, I got lots of clients. They are not much sociable. They are very busy, and their expression was like that.
And
Okay.
what is your name?
My name is Rifat.
Rifat.
Yes, Rifat, and his name is
Oh,
Sagar.
just like it sounds. Okay. And I also have a bunch of like people that I work with, like my mentees. There are, I think I have 3 or 4 Indian clients right now. But even within India, there's different people. Like
Mhm.
you got your, the Sikhs, you got all the different folks, right? So like everybody's just because they're Indian doesn't mean they're the
Wear
same.
different dress, right?
Right, right. Just because they're Indian, okay, so you're from it's a big ass country that could be, you know what I mean? And then you
Yes,
have
yes.
different religions, different
Mhm.
different regions of India, you have a lot of different just because like
Yes, and
no.
most of the Indian people they are Hindu, so they are using
Mm-hmm.
at like
Mm-hmm.
icon type. Okay, and they are use pagri. It's called pagri. It's a head cap like this. And you do you know what's it's this dress name?
No, it looks like a tunic to me, but
It's called Punjabi. It's our local dress, and it's very popular.
okay, so that's how I can tell that you're from Bangladesh is if you have like the outfits. Okay.
Mhm.
And then one day you're just gonna have to give me the food, then I'll really know the difference. Could tell from the food. Yeah, because I like it with my Indian clients when anyone feeds me because I get to taste the whole United Nations of food.
Mhm. And
Because
I
everybody but Americans feed you.
yes,
Persians, everybody feeds you. Everybody but Americans, okay? Like
great.
every other culture, I swear to God. Like, because you're selling them a house, they want you to like come be with us. Like, you know what I mean?
Yes, yes, because your culture, your local culture is very much familiar to us because most of the time we meet American people, we meet your local people because our targeted client maximum from US, UK, Canada. So that's why we know about you
Yeah.
and your
Sorry.
culture. And I think after a long time, I got you, and you are very sociable and very sociable person. But most of the time, I got lots of clients. They are not much sociable. They are very busy, and their expression was like that.
Yeah, and they're rude. Hmm.
Not rude, but they are
Not rude, but cold.
busy. Yes.
Okay, I don't have time for this. What do you want?
Yes, they are very busy person and their behavior is like a busy person, but you
Yeah,
are
because
different.
we're like because every second here is scheduled, okay?
Yes.
Like the what culture here is like a work. And if you don't work 24 hours a day, you're a lazy American. You're lazy, and it's like, okay, you don't have even time to raise your children. Like it's really bad. Because right now here it's very like right now here everything is crazy. They're pulling people
Yes.
out of their houses, they're pulling people off the street, they're doing a lot of crazy things here right now.
You have mentioned
It's very
about the
strange.
craziness, and if I mention about a craziness, then I will mention your president name, and he is Donald Trump.
Yeah,
Do
he's
you
a fucking
support him?
weirdo. Yeah, the guy's crazy. I don't know what to say. He's an embarrassment. It's very embarrassing. And I just hope we don't end up in a war with people that we don't need to be at a war with. Doesn't make any sense. He's just starting shit left and right, just starting shit. Let's just see who we can piss off today, you know?
Mhm.
Don't tell anybody what I look like when I have no makeup.
So we have to
Don't
optimize. We have
screenshot this.
okay.
My hair
So
back and no makeup. Here, let me fix it. Okay, yeah. There she is. There she is. No. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much
Thank you
for your
guys.
time.
Bye,
Thank you.
Sador.
You're so
Be
lovely
good.
and pretty. Thank you so much. Bye
All
bye.
right, bye guys.